want some chocolate.
DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, we got a brand new pickup from Funko. Took forever to get, but let me tell you something. We got a special treat for y'all tonight. A young man that some of you guys may know as Joe the Policeman from the What's Going Down episode of That's My Mama. We got Mr. Randy Watson.
It feels so lovely to be here tonight.
Oh man, Mr. Randy Watson. Unbelievable. I never thought that I would have a Randy Watson figure. This is amazing right here. Absolutely amazing. And it didn't sell out. It's a limited edition. It did not sell out. I'm shocked. One of the greatest movies of all time coming to America. I have the others. Supposedly there's going to be like a gold Prince Akeem pop. And there's also going to be McDowell's pop. But I don't know when they're selling those. But we got Mr. Randy Watson. If you have not ever seen this movie, you must see this movie. It is hands down one of the greatest comedies of all times. You will love it. You will thank me later. And there's a close-up look at Mr. Randy Watson. There's a look at his side profile. I really want them to come out with more from the movie too. I'd love to see the King too. They got to make one of the King. You know, Earl Jones. There's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. And one more close-up look. Hope you guys enjoy this detailed look at Mr. Randy Watson. If you want to see Prince Akeem and Semi out of the box, bang, they're out of the box. I will put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Definitely watch that video. If you're looking for these Funko Pops, I will link that in the description box below, along with tons of other Funko Pops, like Travis Barker, a bunch of the upcoming Comic-Con exclusives, and much more. So definitely look in the description box below, and I'll have a listing of where you can pre-order a lot of them and lock in your Funko Pops, man. Let me know your favorite scene from Coming to America. Love the barbershop scenes. What is this, velvet? All of them scenes is so funny. He beat Joe Louis's ass. All of them, man. But also, man, the scene with Mr. Randy Watson and Sexual Chocolate is just so damn funny. I also love the scene where they're going to the bar trying to find a queen for Prince Akeem. Definitely another great scene. You gotta see Coming to America, one of my favorites. Yesterday, I did a detailed look at the Hardy Boys Funko Pop 2-pack. Definitely watch that review. I take them out of the box, all that good stuff. Must have if you're a wrestling fan. And I am looking for the Triple H chase. I am looking for the Vince McMahon chase. If anyone can help me out, please help me out. I'm having a hard time getting them. And I'm looking for the metallic Thanos. Plus the 10-inch Groot. If anyone can find that for me, trades, hit me up. Real DJ Delz on Instagram or Delz Toy Show. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to look in the description box. I have tons and tons of listings of Funko Pops you may be interested in finding. Plus, I have the Patreon, our podcast. Plus, you get entered into a monthly giveaway. I will be sending multiple Pops if you win. So definitely join. Link will be in the description box. We out.